Good morning, good evening, afternoon, or good night. It's me, Jovial, aka Jovial19, or just simply Jovial, and we're continuing with chapter 121 today of Soredemo Ayumu Yosetekuru, or just Sowai for short, but depending on who you ask, it has different call names. Sorry, Ayu, Shogi-Senpai, I call it Sowai personally, or Soredemo Ayumu Yosetekuru for the formalities, and it's just too long. But continuing the last chapter with Urushi revealing to Daddy that she is in the Shogi Club, here's the continuation. Oh, perfect. Urushi's resolve. We're continuing with what the discussion may be regarding Urushi's place in the Shogi Club. Yeah, she joined and she's the president. Our dear president, Daddy. Oh, the mother. The Yamamoto's art kind of scared me for that one. But the mother's looking kind of somewhat cute. Has some quirks and merits. Kind of cute, to be honest. I kind of like the mother, but that art kind of scares me somewhat scared me. That art on Yamamoto Sensei's art kind of scared me. Maybe because I was thinking it was Urushi in the future, but that's the reason why I guess I was scared, because that was Urushi in the future, and I'm like, oh heck no! Then there's the mother. There's our dear mother. Let's call her that. Our dear mother with a British accent. Our dear mother. He wasn't at work. So what's his daddy's work now? Oh, the mother's cute though. I like the mother already. The daughter is cuter, but the mother, nice. With nose, thumbs up with nosebleed. Yay, Urushi's here too. Marriage. I like the mother though. The art kind of scared me, but seeing in the manga, I actually like her. But she could be a yandere though, so with those eyes. What would this do? Yay, Dina! With all dear mother and daddy. The mother knows. They're asking about why they haven't mentioned Ayumu. Oh, Urushi when she was younger. Yes, me too. Me too, Ayumu. I wanna know too. Let's ask our dear mother and daddy. Those are private, ha! As if. Urushi used to cry terribly into the night. Just how old is the story? Yeah, how old? She went to bed until she was 5. Not judging. Asking to be serious. Was serious all along. The war with your old man thinks do as you please. Well, that was easy. That's barely any conflict. Or any complications on the father's side. Just permission on doing Urushi being a female professional shogi player. It's different from a professional shogi player. Professional shogi player and female professional shogi players are different. In case you're wondering, that's the same for chess, but I think it's a lot more different from shogi. But there are recognizable female chess players though. But I think on shogi it's a lot more segregated. I don't know. If you know more about this, then correct me if I'm wrong, enlighten me. Because my only exposure on shogi is this and Ryo no Shigoto. And I know that show is exaggerated, but that's my exposure on shogi. Yes, it's just that it came so easily. I thought that I hated shogi. Yeah. So I think we're getting a backstory on the next page, but yeah, it's weird. But I guess the daddy has a philosophy on that one, on letting the daughter be free with shogi because she might have more potential or something like that, or not being restrictive or changing something. But yeah, maybe daddy has some reasons. I thought your father liked shogi though. Papa Urushi, I never thought he would make this sort of face. Papa Urushi. I think Papa Urushi was written by Navi, maybe either because we don't want to be called Daddy or that's what the director's decision is. Papa Urushi, but the fans call him Daddy, or I possibly let them call him Daddy. Well, look at the Reddit poll. If you see the Reddit poll, the Yes Daddy one. The Yes Daddy one. Was he hiding the fact that he loved Shogi? But yeah, with the passion and the downfall, I guess you would hide because of some embarrassment or something. But I think there's a reason to hide, but I don't think there's any reason to hide it also. It was around the time that Urushi was 3 years old. Shogi. Urushi's better than Daddy! Yeah, Daddy! Daddy! Alright, finish it. So cute! Daddy sucks! Regarding Daddy being in the translation, I think that was intentional on the direct translation, not because I said that we should call him Daddy. I think none, I will have no influence on the series so whatsoever. I'm just reacting and maybe for now the top Sawai content creator, but I have no influence or can influence anything. But I would love to be featured though. And so father pouted in the corner. He even quit playing Shogi for a while so much that he hated talking about Shogi at home. It's like the overprotective fathers. Oh, he has that overprotective father quality. During that time, people were telling me how persuaded he was and that I should not be careful to discuss Shogi around him. He couldn't even say that he wanted to play Shogi in other ways. He's been voting for my hands are red. Oh, I hope he's not worse. Like he is not worse than Seto-san's father from Seto no Hanayome. Come to think of it, I'm pretty sure he did play even after she was born. Oh come on, how angry is Urushi? Let's see, all this time. Oh come on. Well, that's the second expression that I am wondering, that I am thinking of. So cute though, she's so cute on this panel. You've been doing a fit this whole time even though you're gone now. That is somewhat pathetic. Oh, that conversation is skipped. The conversation is skipped. Thank you for the thank you for the laughs. I think I'm gonna upload this first before chapter 118. Oh, I'm gonna upload this first. Then gonna upload chapter 118, then chapter 113, the rest. Oh, I've been busy though. Have you seen my latest videos though? I've been busy and I'm practicing speedrunning, and I have the other channel now, which was revealed on that video. Yeah, we were worried. She was worried about nothing, but everything turned out alright. Yes, Ayumu. The father and the daddy and our dear mothers in the background. After all, if Ayumu hadn't been there, I probably wouldn't have been able to get the courage to bring up the Shogi Club and transition. Oh, romantic. Oh, we can have a pre-tournament training camp. Oh, in their home, right? In Urushi's home. I lost my dignity as a father. Well, it was kind of your fault anyways, but I really can't blame you much, but it's kind of your fault and I kind of understand at the same time. Oh, I think I'm getting vibes from Aono Hako. Something about Ayumu maybe getting stronger in the future. But yeah, Ayumu should be stronger in the future if he wants to propose, confess to Urushi. The straightforward basically he plays has a good feel to it. Well, it depends. There's jobs exist though, but depends if he's the best at it, at being a straightforward type of player. Like even in chess, there are different types of players. So in Shogi also, it shouldn't differ that much. But yeah, it challenged me for my own daughter's sake. It seems like Urushi trusts him as well. Yeah, she admitted that he liked him. Not sure about him. Don't start pouting, daddy. Don't start pouting yet. Urushi's father officially affirms of their relationship? Question mark? Exclamation point question mark, as well as the other club members. The mother! Yes, I. Oh! Let me guess, S. Next chapter, it's S. Yeah. Oh, thank you Yamamoto Sensei for that wonderful chapter. I enjoy it so much. Oh, what to review here? I don't know. I don't know why the video abrupted so endly. It just cuts out from when I try to edit it, so I'm trying to film this outro now, but I have nothing much to say, but just process it at your own pace because it is enjoyable and it's new information for the series. And I guess that's it for that video. See y'all next time. Peace, love y'all. Yes. That's just the outro. And donate, please. I need a computer.